Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be talking about a very simple Final Cut Pro tutorial or tip for you to color grade your movies or your videos to cinema grade videos, which you can do very quickly. Within like 5 or 10 minutes you will be done with it. But that is one of the steps that most people miss. Most of the filmmakers or most of the video creators that I've met, they do not know anything about color grading and how to do it, and that's why I'll be covering it in today's YouTube video. If you see this video, it's quite good. The video is quite smooth, the speed is good, but the colors are not that deep. The colors are very dull, and it's not, even though they are bright, they are lifeless. So what we are going to do is we are going to color enhance or color grade our video. What I'm going to do is first go into the effects panel. Over here I'm just going to type LUT, so it is already there. So you'll see a option over here that says custom LUT or LUT, and when you drag and drop over here, a LUT gets applied, which is an empty LUT. Then you click on the inspector icon, then you go to video inspector, and over here you will see a custom LUT. It might be hidden like this, but you can show it, and then you can go to choose custom LUT. Then you can download a lot of custom LUTs from online free of cost. So I'll link one of the articles that I've found online in the description box and also over here in the video. So over here I'm going to use the custom LUT drive. Just open it up. It says replace. Okay, so now the custom LUT is applied, and as you can see, the colors are much more deeper. They are bright, they're very cinematic. It's almost feels like I have teleported myself into a different world altogether. So if you want to see how your video looks like before applying the LUT and after applying the LUT, then you can just click on this checkbox to see how it will be applied, how it is going to be seen after it is applied and before applied. And if you feel like the effect is too much, so you can just like reduce the mix over here or the opacity of the filter, which will just reduce the amount of colors or amount of effect that is going to be eventually applied to your video. So I'm pretty happy with this effect, and I'll be going ahead with it. Now once you have applied the LUT, what you can do is you can press Command C, then you can select the other two videos that I have over here and press Shift Command V. What you will see is a paste attribute dialog that gets appeared. Over here you can select more things, or you can just select the LUT. So you don't want all the settings to be applied to all of the videos because you want them to be differently edited. Then you can just paste the custom LUT or just select the attribute that you want to apply and then just paste. So I am pretty happy with this result, and I'll be saving this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something new about color grading and how to make your movies better. So see you in the next one. Peace.